Awesome questions kids ask about the Bible.
What is God's favorite song? God likes songs that praise Him.
Enjoy this super cool music video from Come On Over.
A picture dash, a cup, a chord, it's not a spectator sport. You've got to be involved to have fun. A drop here, a spill there, if that's the worst, then I don't care. Cooking in the kitchen is fun. I love to cook in the kitchen every day. I love to cook in the kitchen every day. Haute cuisine, what do you mean? You serve with baby spinach green and dressed with finest Tuscan olive oil. Flambe, consommé, je suis le soufflé. Mix and blend and shake and stir and boil. I love to cook in the kitchen every day. I love to cook in the kitchen every day. La da 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 da, la da 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 da, la da 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 da.
Smile will discontinue its service on this channel January 12th. To enjoy faith-filled shows like these, watch on demand at yippee.tv or stream free on the TVN Plus app.
due to the negligence and selflessness to our viewers, Smile is forced to cease broadcasting your favorite programming as of 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, January 12, 2025. We have brought you quality programming for both children and families alike since 2005 and plan to expand our network in the coming decade. Because of this closure, it will not be happening. We at Smile and Trinity Broadcasting Network expected better from our viewers, and they have failed us. This is your fault, and I hope you go to hell for this. Thanks for nothing. You will go to hell as your punishment.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
Civil authorities in your area has issued an emergency action notification for all of the United States. Turn off your TV right now. Smile has ceased broadcasting as of 11:59 p.m. on January 12, 2025.
This is the emergency override system with the emergency message. Civil authorities in your area has issued a civil emergency for all of the United States. Turn off your TV right now. Smile has ceased broadcasting as of 11:59 p.m. on January 12, 2025.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator. If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
This is an emergency alert message. Follow the messages on screen as more will be updated as soon as possible for more information. Turn off off your TV right now. Smile TV has ceased broadcasting as of January 12, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. The following is a statewide emergency. Turn off your TV right now. Smile TV has ceased broadcasting as of January 12, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Goodbye forever.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
This has now been upgraded to a civil danger alert. The bodies from the shot characters are rising from the graves and attacking the living. These characters are identified as Boulder from Boulder Buddies, Beulah, Molto, Zeter and Gorga from the Zula Patrol, Larry the Cucumber and Bob the Tomato from Veggie Tales, Carter from Sea Kids, Hermie from Hermie and Friends, Hypothesis, JJ the Jet Plane, the Chubby Cubbies, Zigil from 321 Tangoons, Gooby Toofy and Woozy from My Bedbugs, Colby from Colby's Clubhouse, Gerbert, Dooley, Gerard Giraffe, Nora and Joey from Allegories, and Paolo from Fluffy Gardens. Lock all doors and windows and keep children and pets inside. These zombified creatures are considered extremely dangerous if approached or apprehended.
Hey, why is your TV still on? Didn't we tell you to turn it off? You know what, I'll give you a show to free your boredom until the next emergency alert. Well, I hope you enjoyed the show. Goodbye.
Street Fighter, Underdog, different cartoons like politics or Me and Monsters or Star Trek, Willie Nelson or Akon. Go animate, go animate, go animate cartoons. Go animate, go animate, go animate cartoons. At goanimate.com.
Hey! Just what do you think you're doing with this TV still on? I demand you to turn this TV off before I turn it off for you. So you're not gonna listen to me, huh? Fine, I'll turn it off for you.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
This has now been upgraded to a shelter-in-place warning. The bodies from the shot characters are rising from the graves and attacking the living. These characters are identified as Boulder from Boulder Buddies, Eula, Multo, Zeter and Gorga from the Zula Patrol, Larry the Cucumber and Bob the Tomato from Veggie Tales, Carter from Sea Kids, Hermie from Hermie and Friends, Hypothesis, JJ the Jet Plane, the Chubby Cubbies, Zigil from 321 Penguins, Ruby Toofy and Woozy from My Bedbugs, Colby from Colby's Clubhouse, Gerbert, Dooley, Gerard Giraffe, Nora and Joey from Allegories, and Paolo from Fluffy Gardens. Lock all doors and windows and keep children and pets inside. These zombified creatures are considered extremely dangerous if approached or apprehended and carry a weapon such as a firearm in case the zombified characters attack you.
Hi out there. It's me, Steve. Have you seen Blue? Wait, she's not here. Well, come on then. I have to tell you something important. Blue is at the vet, and she's having an operation on her heart. I hope she's okay.
Her heart stopped beating. We tried our best, but we couldn't get it to stop beating again. I'm sorry.
There are 5 stages in the grieving process: denial, anger, bargain, depression, and acceptance.
Steve will experience 3 stages all stages: depression, anger, and mental illness.
BLLLLLUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUUU I can't live without Blue. She was my best friend. She gave my life happiness and meaning. Without her, I have nothing to live for.
Don't do this, Steve. We love you. You're our friend too.
I hate to break your hearts by doing this. I have no choice. Goodbye.
Well, it's not right to kill Blue. Then you be grounded for years to teenagers. Greg is crying to help with salt and with pepper. You heard my cinnamon. That's it, kids. Going to spank you.
Go to bed now. Turn off all the lights and lock all windows and doors.